Personal 2013 TTT for Pakerbob. Good luck, Bob. Thanks, Bob. It's so dull right now, Zach, the knife. Like, even if I tried to cut myself, it probably wouldn't even. It would just hurt. I don't think it would bleed. I won't bleed on the cards if it happens. I don't know how I haven't cut myself yet, though. I used to just use the box cutter. Good luck, Bob. It's got a little piece of paper on it or something. Parallels are Zach Greinke, 109 of 125, and Tom Glavine, 188 of 650. Base, Bill Mazeroski, non-numbered. Jackie Robinson, Bob Feller, relic off the back. Jacob Ellsbury, 1 of 36. One color Ellsbury. Auto is going to be numbered to 18, pretty low numbered. Good luck. 2 of 18. God, this guy, Anthony Goes. It's a pretty sick card though. It's got my initials on it. Anthony Goes. 2 of 18. Next up, in box number 2. Feels pretty sturdy. Got a super fat one in here. It's not the auto, but you do have a pretty fat one coming up. Good luck. Parallels Joe Mauer to 250, 16 of 250. Craig Biggio, 381 of 650. Justin Upton, Zimmerman, David Wright. First auto, good luck. Is 35 of 50. Will Middlebrooks. Nice. Middlebrooks Unity Relic Auto. 35 of 50. And your fat one, good luck, Bob. For the St. Louis Cardinals, Carlos Beltran, 2 of 3, 7-time All-Star. 2 of 3, nice. Almost. Nice patch there. Carlos Beltran, not too bad. The second one was good. Second mini box was good. Middlebrooks and 1 of 3 Beltran. All right, Bob, thank you again, sir. Appreciate it, man.